Morning guys, it is an amazing day in LA. We're staying 2 blocks from Abercrombie, which is where all the cool shops are, food, and Intelligentsia is just down there. And we've just arrived to grab some breakfast. Yeah, so we're with Alex and Carrie. Hey guys, I haven't seen you in ages, Carrie. You guys have been asking my vlogs when we're next gonna hang out, and it is now. It is happening right now. Is this your local then?
This is like a block, 2 blocks from our house, so it's Carrie's favorite restaurant.
Oh. Right, we've got our food. Look at this incredible pizza. This whole area is just beautiful. Look at this door. This is just on the street, like this crazy mosaic. This whole place is like got so much character, isn't it? Right, I'm jumping in an Uber to go and see Jerome now. Jerome's apparently in LA. Hey. So I haven't seen Jerome in over a year, which is pretty crazy. We've both been traveling a lot. I'm sure he's been doing lots of amazing things, but I'm about to find out what he's up to and what he's doing in LA, and hopefully we'll figure out a way to see each other a bit more often. I'd like to. I love Jerome. He's a very cool guy. This is where he's told me to meet. He's running 5 minutes late. I just want to show you how cool this is. Look, the Hollywood sign is right there at the end of the street. Bro! How long has it been? Well, I think it's been more than a year.
New York.
Yeah. When was that? Like summer?
We were dancing.
Crazy.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
I'm not very hungry, but this place.
Okay. So me and Jerome have been catching up for the last hour. We grabbed some food and now we're going somewhere, but he hasn't told me where. Where are we going, Jerome?
So have you heard of cryotherapy before?
No.
It's like a shower kind of thing. It's like a room around your body.
Yeah.
And the temperature goes down to minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
No.
For 3 minutes.
No.
It's dry air. It's dry nitrogen or whatever. I'm not sure of the thing.
Right.
But it's really good for your joint and for your.
Don't you get hypothermia?
No, because it's only 3 minutes. It's really good for you.
Really?
You're gonna love it.
So we're gonna go?
Yes.
This sounds like an absolute nightmare. You know how much I don't like cold.
You're gonna love it.
Okay, we'll do it. It's minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah. So basically the way it works is all your blood, your body freaks out, right? So all your blood goes to your heart and your vital organs.
Your heart starts pumping like crazy.
Yeah, to try to keep you alive. And then at the end, all the blood goes back to your fingers and stuff. And it's really good, it cleans you, you know.
Have you done it a few times?
I've done it a few times.
Okay. So this is the place, cryo. Guys, I'm really worried. I've just been told I need to put on these socks and gloves and shoes. What have I got myself into? This is Lauren, she works here and she's just given me a lowdown on like what this thing is. Apparently it's minus 140 degrees Celsius, which is colder than anywhere on Earth. I've heard of like minus 50 in like the North Pole, but am I gonna die?
You are not gonna die. It's a completely dry cold.
Am I gonna be like shivering like this?
It depends, like since you are a little anxious, you might, because like that nervous energy kind of creates it keeps chattering, and some people, normally people might do that their first time.
I don't
and then
handle
they won't
cold
do it
well
again.
usually, like I'm like not cold.
So you're gonna be very cold, but it's not gonna be painful, and if at any point you're like, I'm too cold and you wanna get out, that's okay.
Okay, this is good. This is coming out my comfort zones. This is like when you used to go in like ice baths. This is the same thing.
It's better than an ice bath though.
Okay.
Less painful.
Okay.
Right, ready?
Last time I saw you, we danced naked in Union Square.
That's true. That's true. Okay.
This is less scary. Trust me.
Alright. So you'll take off the robe and hand it to me.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna have you rotate just so it's, you feel it comes out the back. You don't wanna like Just like,
I can't quite fit in it.
you don't have to rotate that quick. You can kind of just like stand in one spot, rotate.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Relax, breathe.
Yeah, okay. Just be calm. Calm your mind mentally and you'll be fine. You'll feel so good after. You're past halfway. You're doing awesome.
Can we see the temperature here?
Yeah. Negative 186 Celsius.
Great.
How long have I got?
You've got a minute and 15.
My arms don't feel good.
What, your forearms?
Yeah, my forearms.
What, like just kind of aching?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's normal. You got 20 seconds. You can do it.
Come on, Louis. You're training for Canada.
Okay.
Are you going to Canada?
For the baby seals.
Yeah, we are. We're going. When are we going? March.
March.
Fun. Back down.
Have you ever seen one for two people?
What? Yes. So
Really?
They're not like one like this, but there's ones where there's a whole room that you can walk in, and you can let 2 people or 3 people in that. So it's like more like a little.
So cool. Well done. Yeah.
Oh, that was cold. That was cold. That was really cold. It's Jerome's go now.
All right. Ah, this is amazing.
I love it. It's minus 186 Celsius.
Yeah.
How you feeling, Jerome?
Feeling cool.
It's a really cool thing. I told you.
Oh, my tits are really cold. Wow, it's really painful.
I had to cool down a little in the beginning, but like 10 seconds and I'll stop it. All right. Duck down.
Whoa.
Thank you. Amazing.
Amazing.
Wow, this was the most painful one.
Yeah, it's a really cool
A
one.
lot of electricity.
Yeah. Well, that was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
I feel like really exhilarated and pumped now. That was a very unique experience. I don't think I've ever got that cold so quickly.
They're still frozen, but they will get better.
So me and Jerome have jumped in an Uber. We're heading back to Venice now, and we're going to hang out with Jesse because Jesse lives near, or I think above somewhere. Oh, I shouldn't say where he lives actually, should I?
No, you shouldn't.
Anyway, Jesse lives in Venice, and we're going to go and hang out with him, and it's going to be fun. You haven't really hung out with Jesse much.
Actually, I just remember now. The last time I saw him was with you at Halloween, maybe like.
Oh yeah, it was
were
almost exactly a year ago. Like
Really?
a year and like 3 days in New York.
He wasn't Jack Sparrow.
I was Jack Sparrow. What was
you were
Jesse?
Jack
He was Aladdin. Jesse was Aladdin
Yes.
because it was just after he did his Aladdin video.
That was the last time I knew.
And a few days ago, he did his Silver Surfer video in New York on the boosted board as well. It looked pretty sick. Okay, I'm at Jesse's pad. I'm with Jesse. Andy's here, and Jesse's told me to put this VR headset on. This is like the new PlayStation thing, and I'm gonna have a go at this game.
Batman.
Am I gonna enjoy this?
You're gonna freak out.
Yeah?
It's pretty immersive.
Okay,
And I
okay.
know you, and I know what type of person you are. This is gonna be fun. I'll document it for you.
Okay, cool. There you go.
All right, Louis is now in Gotham City right now.
Can I move around?
You can move around a little bit.
Okay.
Like you can look over the edge.
I'm gonna do some fire on all what I think is all wrong.
That's awesome. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm here. Okay.
All right, just go. Don't do the first one. Do the manor. Yeah. You could like smack him in the face with it.
You do know that one's own bed would make for more comfortable sleeping arrangements than a piano. Grand or otherwise. Ordinarily, I would beg you to take a night's rest, but
There's upgrades with other people.
I'll explain downstairs.
What do you think?
It's quite
This is
trippy.
nuts.
Yeah, it's quite trippy.
This is so cool.
Open the piano.
Have you heard of, do you watch shit like Netflix or whatever?
Yes, some shows.
Do you heard of Black Mirror?
I love Black Mirror. I watched it last night.
This is dope. Get ready. This is gonna be dope.
The 4th episode of season 3.
You're going into the Batcave, bro.
No way.
The one with the likes. Everybody had to like.
Jerome's having a go.
Targets. Yeah, there you go, bam. That's how you load. Gotta load that one.
So this is what you've been doing instead of daily vlogging, bro. This is the first time I've seen one of these guys.
What are you doing with my diamond play button?
The diamond play button.
That's actually my girl's diamond play button. My ex-girl. Nah, I'm gonna confuse the internet.
Is it real diamond? No.
Real
Imagine.
They'd be like, thank you for earning us a diamond's worth of money.
I mean, you'd think with only like 50 people or so on that level, you should at least like fucking put some real shit on this thing.
We have left Jesse's, we've jumped in the car, and now we're heading down to Long Beach where we're going to be for the next couple of days. We've got some exciting activities planned tomorrow. But first, we are going to a Mexican restaurant because, you know, it's dinner time and we're all very hungry. We've just texted through our orders, so hopefully when we arrive, it'll be food time. Got a vegan burrito.
We get some more chips.
Of course, here, I'll tell you what, here's an extra corn. I'll be out with another flour for you.
Guys, look at the size of this ice cube. This is a seriously big ice cube.
It's gonna be a big refrigerator.
It takes up the entire class.
You know, it's actually just an ice cube with a side of mezcal.
Oh, nice. We've just checked into our hotel. This is a very nice hotel. And we've got a pretty cool view as well, which I'm sure I'll show you tomorrow in the daylight as well, but check this out. This is our view, and there's like, that's the harbour over there. And that's where we're going to be exploring tomorrow. And yeah, so what happened was we were coming through LA anyway because we're going to be going to Bali, and we thought, well, we need to go via the States, and we've got so many friends in LA. So we thought, let's stay here for a bit. And then it worked out quite good timing because I've been invited to check out Long Beach and, like I was saying, do some activities here tomorrow. So we just planned our activities tonight. We're doing a helicopter ride after breakfast.
Don't tell them everything. Keep it a suspense.
And then the rest of it's a secret. But there's going to be lots of cool things. And yeah, I'm excited to be here. And it's cool that Alex and Marco and Carrie's coming down tomorrow as well, that they can join us. It's going to be a fun day of doing fun things, and I'll catch you in the morning. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.